Hey everyone, welcome to Stock Peep. This is my very first chart on this channel, and I'm going to be doing it on FFIE. Why not, right? It's been getting a lot of attention. A lot of news has been coming out about FFIE, and a lot of people want to hear about it. So, what should we do? Let's talk about it. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the MACD. Let's look at the RSI. Let's look at the volume. We're going to be doing this right now on the hourly chart, and I already wrote the lines in there for you. So, we have resistance here, resistance right here. Another resistance here. Then we have a support. Originally it was a support right here, but now it became kind of a resistance because we had a little sell a little bit on Friday. So now it may become a resistance, but let's hope not. Let's hope not. After hours, it looked like it was trying to break that resistance right around here, right around this area. So hopefully we can continue to break this resistance and we won't have to go down to this support right here. We don't want to go down here. If we do, it's still not over yet. We have support right here. A lot of people bought in this area, so this could play as a support role in this area, this little channel. So if it does, we're still not out of luck. We're still not out of luck for FFIE if we come in this zone. But we want to stay in this area right here. We want to stay in this area. If we stay in this area, we're good to go. Now, if we stay in this area, we can break this 60 cents and possibly break this 70 cents. Once we break this 70 cents, we're on our way to possibly $1 again. That's where we need to go. We need to go above $1 or reach $1. We want to stay listed, right? We want to stay listed. We got to stay over $1 for FFIE. It's been looking good. FFIE has been looking good recently. It went all the way down to 18 cents. 18 cents, everybody. 18 cents right around here. But when it did, which happens a lot on a lot of stocks, once it reaches 18 cents, the low, it usually pumps up. A lot of people buy the dip. And then it pumped up from 18 cents all the way to 60 cents just in a few days. Just in a few days. So this stock isn't over. It isn't over. We have some FFIE news, some good, some bad. But recently, mostly bad news on FFIE. The earnings didn't look too good. The revenue didn't look too good. The car actually cost $300,000 per car, which is might be out of reach for some people. But we recently had some good rumor news about possibly some funding from overseas. If that happens, this stock can definitely hit over $1. That's my opinion, if the funding comes through. But as far as the MACD looks pretty good. Received a lot of buying in this area right here. Notice the shading of the green looks a little darker because the buying started to slow down right in this area. So when the selling started to slow down, it started to consolidate a little bit. So it started to slow down right here. So if we go up on the chart, it means the buying started to slow up right around this area, which is the 50 cent area. And that's where we're at right now. So it makes sense, right? The buying came in right here, around the 40 cents area. It started to slow up around the 50 cents area. And that's where we're at right now. Then we started to see some selling right here. On Thursday, we started to see some selling. Not too much, though. Not too much. That's why it didn't go down too much. It didn't go up too much. It didn't go down too much. Not too much buying, not too much selling. Right here, we had some selling. It came down from the 60 all the way down to the 50. But hopefully this MACD line right here, hopefully it starts to flatten out. And then if it starts to flatten out, we're good to go. We can start consolidating, maybe move back up again. The RSI right here was coming down, started to curve a little bit right here. But this is kind of after hours, so we can't really pay attention to too much of that. This is the after hours area where we start seeing some buying. So hopefully you see this RSI flatten out as well, then we can go back up again. But overall, FFIE looks pretty good in my book. Can we make a continuation to go up on Monday? We'll have to see. The Bollinger Bands right around here, the red and the purple. It doesn't look too great yet. We want to see it flatten out and start to curve back up again on the Bollinger Bands. But hey, I'm still holding right now. The potential is there. How can it go? I think it can go up to $1, maybe higher if we get the news. We just need to see some positive news in FFIE. And I think we can go over $1, $2, $3, maybe higher. We just have to see. If the rumors are true, definitely possible. All right, everybody. Thank you for clicking on the video and watching my stock analysis for FFIE. I have more to come. We might check out GameStop next, or we'll see. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like the video, comment if you have any questions. Thank you.